Trying stuff sa Ho Chi Minh. First off is the very famous banh mi Hoin Hua. Tapos, this is only 190 pesos. Kasama na yung delivery fee. It's bigger than my freaking face. Naka-deconstruct yung laman niya. So, hindi ko na maglalagay ng mga gulay. Siguro, depende sa preference mo. Let's try first coriander. I like coriander. Hindi ako yung part ng population na lasang soap daw. Kasi sobrang messy. I'm just gonna put one. Okay, first bite. It's so good. Mas masarap nga naman sa banh mi sa atin. OMG. It's just very yummy, but also very messy. And ilagay nyo yung mga veggies kasi nakaka-help magbigay ng refreshing taste. Hindi super overpowering yung meat and yung liver. So that's the first one. Aside from the banh mi, I also went to 7-Eleven to try Ho Chi Minh's 7-Eleven. And ito, nakita nyo naman, tinry ko na. Wala kasi na ito sa Philippines and hindi pa ako nakapunta sa Japan. So, I had to try yung shake thing. And it's good. Next I got is a meal from 7-Eleven. This is the spicy chicken honey sauce rice. So, konti lang TBH yung selection na nakita ko. Na as in Vietnamese cuisine. Ang daming Japanese and Korean. May gimbap, may tteokbokki, may sushi roll. So, I don't even know if this is Vietnamese, but let's try the chicken. It's chicken. It's not spicy. It's a bit sweet. Pero okay na kung gutom-gutom ka. And gusto mo ng kanin. Before we move to the snacks and the dessert, I bought 2 drinks. One is zero sugar and calorie sparkling white peach. So, sa Philippines, meron ng lime, Pepsi Lime na zero. So, this is something new. Pepsi Raspberry. Ang lasa niya is, kung nakatikim na kayo ng Tums, lasang ganun. Basta yung chewable ng mga gamot, ganun yung lasa niya. Lasang right and light na peach. So, I like this one. Next is, it's baked prawn with melted cheese. Mali ako, actually, dapat yung pho yung kukunin ko. Kaso, yung kung naduling yata ko, ito yung nadampot ko. Pero, next time. So, let's try this one. Here it is. Malansa siya. 6 out of 10. Aside from those, I also got dessert. This is the Midnight Matcha Fresh Cream Bread. Oh, it's maitim siya. Mukha siyang burger. Mukhang madami. Masarap yung filling. Matcha mismo. Yung tinapay niya lasang typical na bun. Ganun. Pero na. So yeah. That's it for this part of this video. I don't know saan siya magkakaroon.